How to draw cam profile. So let us understand how we'll draw the cam profiles. So for example, we'll take example 8.2 problem 2. A cam rotating clockwise at a uniform speed of 300 rpm operates an reciprocating follower through a roller of 1.5 centimeter diameter. The follower has following motion. The follower moves outward during 150 degrees of UARM. Then the follower dwells for next 30 degrees. The follower returns for next 120 degrees with SHM, and the follower next dwells for the remaining period. The stroke of the follower is 3 centimeter. This is also called as a lift. The minimum radius of the cam is 3 centimeter. Draw the cam profile. For the follower axis passes through the cam axis. The follower axis is offset to the right by 1 centimeter. So write down the given data. That's solution. Outward 150 degrees with UARM, dwell for 30 degrees, return during next 120 degrees with SHM, next dwell for remaining period. Draw the displacement diagram. So taking a scale x axis equals to 120 degrees equals to 1 centimeter, y axis is 1:1. So draw a line 0 degrees to 360 degrees with the scale. So 0 to 360 will be 18 centimeter by the scale. Next, draw 3 centimeter line vertically. So this represents the lift or the stroke of the follower. Now complete the rectangle. Now divide the displacement diagram into the given following motion. So first is outward. So first outward is 150 degrees. 150 by scale. So 150 divided by 20 degrees will be 7.5 centimeters. So mark 7.5 and draw a line. Similarly, next is dwell for 30 degrees. So 30 degrees by scale is 1.5 centimeter. So mark 1.5 centimeter and draw a line, make a partition. Next comes return with 120 degrees. So 120 degrees with 20 divided by 20 will be 6 centimeters. So measure 6 centimeter and make a partition. So this part is of return, that is 6 centimeter. Remaining is dwell. Now since outward motion is UARM, so you have to draw a UARM diagram curve for this. So now divide this portion from here to here. Divide this portion into 6 equal number of parts. So 7.5 centimeter divided by 6 is very little difficult to draw. So for that, easier method is to divide this into 6 equal number of parts. So draw a line measuring 6 centimeter. Draw a line measuring 6 centimeter and mark 1 centimeter each. Mark points 1 centimeter each till 6 centimeter. Connect the last point and the final point here. So after drawing the final line, so from each of these points, draw a line parallel to this line. Draw a line parallel to this line, each of these points. Here, and here. So we have divided into 6 equal number of parts. So mark the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have divided into 6 equal number of parts. Now from these points or from these lines, draw verticals. So draw exactly verticals from each of these points. Now divide the third line into 6 equal number of parts. So this is 3 centimeter means 0.5 centimeter each to make 6 points. So take a scale. So mark 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. So you'll have 6 equal number of parts on line 3. Name it as A, B, C, D, E and F. Next, join the initial point from 0 degrees to A, from 0 to B, from here to C. Now from the final point here, from here to C, now from here to D, and from here to E. Now select the points 1 to A, so this point, 2 to B means this point, so 3 to C means this point, mark it, 4 to D is this point, 5th to E is this point, and 6th to F is this point. So join this with a smooth curve. So this is one part, this is outward part. Next we will Next, for dwell, there is no motion for dwell, so it goes in a straight line. Now the written part with SHM. Now the written part is with SHM. So draw a semicircle. Either you can draw it here or here. Draw a semicircle with half of the stroke. Means find the midpoint of this and draw a semicircle. Now divide this semicircle into 6 equal number of parts. That is 180 degrees divided by 6 will be 30 degrees each. So 30, 60, 90, 120, 150 and 180. So divide into 6 equal numbers. So 30, 60, 90, 120 and 150 and 180. So drawing lines at 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 120 degrees and 150 and 180 degrees. Name it as from the below opposite to A, B, C, D, E, F. You can name it opposite also, no problem with that. Now draw horizontal lines from A till the written portion, B till here, C till here, till the written part, D and E. Now once again, if this semicircle is divided into 6 equal number of parts, therefore this also should be divided into 6 equal number of parts. So the written part, so divide it into 6 equal number of parts, means it is 6 cm already. So each 1 cm each, mark a point and draw vertical lines. So draw vertical lines from each of these points and name it as from the here starting 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. You can name it opposite way also. Now mark the points. Now mark the points A and first line, A and 1 here, B and 2, C and third line, D and fourth line, E and fifth line, F and sixth line will be here. And join it with a smooth curve. So this is how we draw the displacement diagram. So now displacement diagram is over. So this is our complete displacement diagram for the given problem.